Ooh, 4 perfect froyo combos. Oh my god, just a bunch of AIM confessions to make you feel old. Me! Oh my gosh, the best sound. Ready? Yes, so good, so good. Hey, what's up? It's Lauren or LaurDIY, the host and executive producer of Craftopia on HBO Max. And today I'm gonna be making an ultimate Cosmo collage. So grab your Cosmo magazines, get ready to craft, and they said it was totally cool if we just like go to town cutting these up. So get ready to craft. I haven't made a magazine clippings collage in a hot minute and I am so excited. I feel like this is like a nostalgic craft for me. I used to make so many of these and honestly, I feel like, ooh, fun. I usually just start by quickly flipping through all the pages and ripping out any pages that I think have like a pretty photo that's like inspiring or has like text or phrase. Generally, I feel like I'm just making kind of like an inspo board of things that are aesthetically pleasing to me. But you can totally make a theme. Also, I love that sound. It's such a good sound. If you are looking for like spring trends, it's a good way to make like a trend board or a mood board if you're working on some kind of project that needs inspo. And whatever catches my eye, I just rip it out and then afterwards go in and cut out my specific words or graphics. Oh my gosh, the best sound. Ready? Yes, so good, so good. Ooh, 4 perfect froyo combos. I'm in. Oh my gosh. As soon as quarantine is over, your girl is getting froyo and then going to Home Goods. My priorities. Ooh, is it time to switch up your birth control? Oh my god, hang on. Please hold while I take this quiz. How many calories do you burn during sex? Wow, really not that many. Huh. I'll stick to the treadmill. This is what happens is that like I'm trying to find photos that I like, but then I'm like, oh, this is a good article. I feel like this image of a glass of wine and a laptop has been the mood of my isolation. As soon as I have a bunch of pages torn out, I feel like your next choice is if you want to really cut down the photo really precisely, or if you kind of want to just go in with sharp edges or rounded edges. I think I'm gonna go for just like sharper square edges. I feel like that's easier and pieces together really well without getting too overwhelmed about how perfect it looks. I feel like the best part of this is just like slapping pieces on and it just being like a total gallery of images that really inspire you. Okay, so I have a ton of different images cut out. I don't know if I'm gonna use everything, but we got options. And my #1 pro tip for doing any kind of collage is Mod Podge. This stuff is the #1. It's a glue, it's a sealer, and it's a finish. So what I do is I just cover almost the entire canvas. Also layers really, really well, so like don't be shy with it. So I chose a paintbrush that is too large. Okay, so essentially I am just going to cover this entire base here. And this is so much easier than going in and using like a glue stick or double-sided tape. It also dries clear, so there's like no stress if you over glue. It truly is like the best adhesive ever. So I think my plan of attack is going to be to put down some of my bigger images first to really cover some major ground on my canvas. And then from there, I think we'll add in some like fun other smaller graphics and some text that we really want to highlight, and good to go. Okay, oh my God, which one first? Okay, let's do, I think I wanna leave some like white exposed on the corners and not just cover, oh, but I don't know, should we go all the way to the edge? Ooh, no, okay, I wanna leave some, I think, exposed corners. Okay. This is a really good way to like plan things as well because it's not like the most crazy adhesive, so it's not stuck there forever. This photo is the ultimate isolation mood. This is not social distancing. I literally see this photo and I'm like stressed about how close people are. Oh, I forgot I cut this photo out. Okay, I feel like that's a pretty good start. So I'm gonna add some more Mod Podge to really like seal it down. Okay, Okay, so I think my first layer is pretty much done. So I'm gonna do just like a super thin layer of Mod Podge on top now, I think, so that I can go in with some more specific words and graphics. And this really just completely seals everything in. There's also a glitter version of Mod Podge that I like to use on top of, like, let's be honest, every project. Okay, let's start there, because I feel like this does tend to dry a little bit quick. And these graphics are a little bit smaller. Okay, oh my god, what do we start with? I feel like there's so many good photos to use. Okay, everything about this story is so LA. Me as a YouTuber being like, I'm so LA. Cute. Hey girl, you're looking starry-eyed. This is cute. I'm gonna cut this down just like a tiny bit. Also, something that's super, super useful for making photo collages like this, especially if you're doing the straight line technique, is just using an X-Acto knife or any kind of craft knife to cut from the magazine. And it really just like takes that whole step out of using scissors and makes things go so fast. Dog fashion. Fun fact, I'm literally designing clothes for dogs right now. They're just like really cute little sweaters. Oh my god, just a bunch of AIM confessions to make you feel old. Me! I'm not gonna lie, I was more of an MSN girl over an AIM girl, but maybe that's because I'm Canadian. I'm not entirely sure, let me know. But oh my gosh, the fact that people don't know what AIM is and MSN makes me just feel old. I don't want to cover up the doggy's face. He's so cute. My dog also loves ice cream. Loves ice cream, loves a puppuccino. Should ice cream? I feel like ice cream should go near him as well, just for, you know, to complete the vibe. I think I need a little more Mod Podge there. Oh, fierce and feminine. Cute. Right over top of the bagel bites. What a mood. RIP to all of my travel plans for 2020. That's okay though. Really supporting the amount of dog photos that were in these last 3 issues of Cosmo. Love that. Love that for all of us. All right, y'all, I think we're looking good. I feel like there's a few more little ones that I have that I want to put down, but she cute. I feel like this is such a fun project just to keep yourself entertained too at home. I feel like I've got this, I don't even want to say it's a bad habit because it's not, because I love having excess magazines around, but it's such a fun way to recycle magazines that you've read 1,000 times. Like I said, Cosmo gave us the green light to cut these ones up. Oh my gosh, warning, text your mom before this journey. Me before I do anything. And then sometimes and sometimes not listening to the advice. Ooh, okay, last one. Where should she go? Maybe like, right here. Cute. I'm gonna go into some more Mod Podge and just tighten up any of the loose ends that we have here, but you can really just like let it dry, see where it needs a little more reinforcement, and then go in and add some more. But I feel like it's also like a really easy idea just to do like one big swipe over the entire thing. Go in with some glitter Mod Podge, highly recommend. Like seriously, if you were gonna buy one craft supplies for isolation, make it glitter Mod Podge, it's so worth it. Also guys, I'm so excited for you to see Craftopia. It is truly a one-of-a-kind show. It's a kids crafting show and it is insane. Like this set is incredible. Everywhere you look, there's glitter and color and it's so much fun. These kids are going to absolutely blow you away when you see what they do with these craft challenges. The judges are incredible. Definitely some familiar faces that you'll recognize. Okay, all right. All right guys, my Cosmo collage is done. She truly is pretty ultimate. I look ridiculous right now. But I will post a better photo on my social so you can see what it looks like up close. Don't forget to subscribe to Cosmo and make sure to watch for Craftopia on HBO Max. Can't wait to see some of your recreations of your own Cosmo collages, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.